Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and this is a look back video that we posted several years ago about the experience a particular homeowner had from the basement walls going in all the way through the house set. And in this video, we document those several pieces, and then also you get to see the homeowners walking through their house the day that it's being set. So take a look.
Hey everyone, this is Nia at Buffalo Modular Homes. I am on site. It's a set day today. You'll see behind me, it's happening. We're in Attica, New York today, setting a home for a wonderful family that has a little one, and they're excited to get in. This is a Fantastique ranch home. It's about 1830 square feet. You can find this on our website. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Beautiful open concept. I love the master suite in this one, and we're here on site. I'm excited to walk you through, and I'm sporting my Made in America swag, BMH swag. So stay tuned. Here we go. Let's do it. Welcome home. Exciting. Here it is, mudroom. Love that bench. Welcome home, Danielle. Yay! You haven't seen the kitchen yet.
No, I'm waiting for that.
It's showtime. Showtime. Let's see.
Shuts up the pantry. Oh, gotcha.
No, this is coming out. Right?
Yep. All this is coming out just for shipping.
All these choices. Are you loving it? And my faucet.
There's a faucet. I love the ceilings. They're so beautiful.
Do you like it wet? Oh,
Which way house would you have mine? I think this
I like the countertop too.
Yes.
The microwave.
Looks like you're going to host a lot of holidays
You can
here.
actually see
There you go, right?
Is this where you're going to do the dishes?
Oh, look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, wait till you see that bathroom.
Nice in here. Oh, we do have double sinks. Someone asked me about that the other day. I said,
You forgot? Forgot what you ordered? Let's see. The shower.
holy cow. We came from 1,000 square foot home.
Okay, 1,000 square feet. So this is about 1830 with the
It
full.
was an old fashioned one
Jason.
with little rooms.
Uh-huh.
It was a very cute house.
I love that pantry. Are you gonna make that like a beverage center? What are you thinking there for
I
that?
have no idea, but the barn door.
Cocktails?
So what's the bar door supposed to cover? This?
You can do either thing.
Oh yeah. Okay, top 3 favorite things that you're excited about.
The kitchen,
Kitchen.
the bathroom, and the walk-in closet.
Are those the same for you or
Oh,
different?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
As Nia mentioned in the video, this is the Fantastique plan, and if you look it up on our website, you'll see this is actually the house that is posted for the Fantastique plan, this particular build that we had done these years ago. And so the reason that we're reposting this is a couple reasons. One is it's got a ton of views. This has well over 1 million views, this particular video. So a lot of people clearly like this video a lot. But the nice part is the process is exactly the same. You know, you still need to dig, put the basement in, and the house comes out. And if you choose to, it'll be finished at a very similar level to what you see here. Difference is the finishes will be different, certainly because this is from a few years ago. Still don't offer all those finishes that are in this, but you can still build the Fantastique plan and still get it just as finished as what these homeowners did. If you want to, we can certainly pull back on some of those finishes. We get some folks that'll ask about, hey, what about shipping the house without flooring in it, or cabinets or countertops, or even showers sometimes. Those things are certainly options to you, but you can see through this video just how much is done in advance from the factory. It's a huge portion of the build. By the time this video ends, the project was about 80% done at that point in time, which means that all that's really left is connecting your utilities and getting the trades through, and then just as you can see in the video, just a little bit of punch out work, some drywall work, some flooring patching, some trim work, and that's about it. Most of the house is done the day that it arrives and is set on the foundation. The other thing I want to point out specifically is that this house, as you'll see in some other videos, has an attached garage. You'll see it in the photos as well for this. Just for clarity's sake, garages and porches, while they're absolutely a part of your building process and things that we can help you plan with and help you come up with the plans for, they are not modular in their very nature. So those are things that would be done after the house is set by a local crew. So it's just something important to keep in mind. We can still help you with the plan for them. I think it's still really, really important to consider them as a part of the overall design, as they certainly have a significant impact on that curb appeal of the house. And so we'd love to help you with that. but they would be done by a local crew. So that's just an important note to keep in mind. But hope this is helpful to you as you're considering your building project, whether it's the Fantastique plan or whether it's a ranch home or whether it's building in the middle of farmland like these folks did, or whatever it might be. Maybe if you want to leave some comments below on things that you like or things maybe that you'd like to see different in your home, whatever that might be, we'd love to interact with you that way as well. But feel free to reach out about your building project.